Good afternoon. I'm just showing y'all my mess of garden just from this view. It's been raining, raining, raining. It's cold. Y'all see I got frost blankets on everything. And I can't even plant anything out here. So you can see my potatoes. They seem to be doing okay. Here's my poor little thing on the porch. It's covered up. I probably should have uncovered it during the day, but I gotta tell y'all, I think it's like maybe high 40s, like low 50s right now. I'm standing here in my pajamas and I'm freezing. So I'm getting ready to go in the house because it ain't nothing I can show y'all out here. So I'm gonna show y'all my house plants. Okay, so this is my snake plant and my pothos. I'm gonna get to the good stuff in a little bit. These little stories I got. Okay, so my son found this plant, this snake plant, and somebody had thrown it on the ground with the pot and everything. So he brought it back to me, and I put my little Lego dude up in there. This is a cutting off of my pothos that I'm supposed to give to somebody, and I haven't done it yet. I'll tell y'all why I'm doing this. Oh, what I don't know what I'm about to say, but I'm trying to do this quick and be quiet at the same time. Y'all see this metal work? I guess I should show y'all this. Ooh, wee lordy. I made this stuff. Told y'all I'm an artist. Or if I haven't told you I'm an artist, I am. Anyway, I made all this stuff. Okay. Here's my other little guy. All my plants have stories. This big dude right here, I stole a little tiny piece off of a plant at work. No bigger than the pothos clipping, like even smaller than the pothos clipping that I showed y'all. And I don't even know how to give you perspective because, well, I can't, it's huge. That's really all I can tell you. And I will tell y'all, I will show you more in a second. This is Gladys. Look at Gladys. She's a Vicks plant. Oh, I'm working with a new phone here, y'all. So, it looks pretty daggone good. Anyway, this is Gladys. Her name, she has a name. Look, check this out. Story about Gladys is when the pandemic started, my boyfriend likes to go everywhere. And I begged him, please don't, because I have a phobia about suffocation. And I told him, I said, look, this is a disease where people suffocate to death. Please don't kill us. Well, he said, I want to be around people and I want to go and do stuff. And I told him, I said, well, now you know how I feel since I moved back from California to here. Get a hobby, get a plant. And so I broke a piece off of one of my plants and I gave him this. He poo-pooed it and poo-pooed it. He didn't want it. And look at how big she is. I'm going to show you how small she was when I gave it to him. See this little thing right here? That's what I gave him. This is what she is. And that's after I just clipped her a couple days. Like, she was big and bushy. I chopped her into a little tree. Okay, next. Here are my spider plants. And last year, if you remember Liz and her whimsy, I took my whimsy and put it in here because it was wintertime, and I decided that I wanted to leave it in there. But I know that this is like not the best type of thing of me showing you my houseplants, but I'm getting to kind of the meat of why I'm showing them to you. But I'm also going to ask y'all for some advice. Look at this fuzzy stuff. So I put blood meal in these because they were not getting it the way they needed to be. And so, look at that. That's kind of gross. I figured that it's really not hurting the plant, but it's hurting my eyes. and it's pretty gross. So y'all tell me what I'm supposed to do. Do I need to put peroxide or something in that? I'm scared of doing that. Anyway, y'all know what this is. If you look at Watch Liz's videos, you know that this is one of our generational plants, our dumb cane. So, whimsy. Okay, hold on a second. I'm gonna start showing you the reason why I'm inside. So, see my peppers. There's a piece off of another piece off of my Vicks plant right there. Anyway, look at my beautiful peppers. Y'all know I can't put them outside. I'm so upset about that. And look at them. They up under the light. See the light? They're up under this light. And they're going to be touching pretty soon. And I can't stand it. It's so cold out there. And there was like a frost or a frost warning the other night. That's why you see everything covered outside. And this is very disappointing to me that I can't put my babies out. So, yeah, happy Mother's Day to me. I just slept all day, which, you know what, that's kind of cool. I don't got a little baby. I don't need to get a rest from my little baby, but my big baby, you know, I didn't hear his mouth today, so that was good. Yay! Okay, well, I did say I didn't hit my son, and he just woke up, and now he tripping. Y'all, tell me about y'all Mother's Days. Man walking around like, you're inside. Tell him to take a shower because he stinks. Anyway, so that's my elephant bush back there. I got that. My son broke a piece off, and like when we moved back here in 2017, I think that thing had been like a year old. He had broke a big old piece off a bush in California and said, Mom, I mean, it was like a long branch. Mom, this fell off. Can you take care of it? Can you fix it? So that's the results. Anyway, look at this. I want to flip the camera, but that is my god dang Black Beauty tomato. She cannot go outside because it's cold out there. I can't put her under the light in the other room anymore because they're too tall. So I'm pretty sad about that. This is my original Vicks plant. She used to be really big, but I chopped it like big. I can't even show you, like big, hanging over the edges. And I would put water in there and she would drink it up. So her name is Thirsty Bitch. But Thirsty Bitch is really small now. But she not that thirsty. She don't need to fill up herself that much. But I hope she does get huge again. And then I can come back and show y'all and be like, look at Thirsty Bitch. There's my other tomato. And here's my tomatillo. Look, I'm too close. It's a table behind me, so it's hard. Okay. That's my tomatillo. Liz got her stuff outside, so I'm gonna have to go back and see how her tomatillos are doing. I've been quite busy. But since I ain't doing nothing today, I can go back in there and look at video. Oh no, my son he wants to take over the living room. I guess not. Anyway, that's my tomatillo. Okay, so check this out. So I called myself, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, start acclimating my stuff. And then I took it outside. The wind was blowing. And as soon as I went outside, my tomatillo snapped off. The wind went whoosh, and it went snap. I was like, oh, the growth and the work that I just did. And I just broke my tomatillo. Oh, my God, I hope if I put it in water, it'll do like a tomato and root. And, that's like awesome. Because look at this raggedy. That's my other tomatillo. So I only plan on keeping two, so obviously this one probably not gonna be the one. And my sister, I had to write it down. My sister gave me salvia yesterday for Mother's Day. Belinda, that sister, the only sister I have. And I had it, actually went to a website and had it identified. But Belinda finally showed me the card that it was the insert that comes with it. And so now I know exactly what it is. All right, here's kind of my pride and joy right here. I'll get way back. That's my love right there. That's my peace lily. It was almost dead, and it came from my boyfriend's mom's funeral, and they took all the plants and they had thrown the plants outside. And back there, I meet my boyfriend. He had thrown all the plants outside and was on the front. They were outside on the front, something leaning over sideways. It was a mess. And I had almost, like, I had started nursing it. One flower popped up, and then the flower, what am I trying to say? Then that was it. The plant started dying. Fungus gnats, little bugs and everything. It was just all kind of mess. Well, I finally nursed it back. Y'all see how far back I had to come to show y'all how big this plant is now. And look at this. I gotta go now. I gotta reach way over my head. I got a flower here. This one's older. It's green. Because if it gets too much sunlight, they start to turn green. And there's another flower. I probably got another one in here somewhere. I don't know. Oh, there it is. And there's my grow light up there. But as you see, it's curving that way, so I usually turn them a little at a time. But this one, because I got all these plants down here, I can't push it over. And I can't start my watermelon because this is happening. So, okay. Very upset. But anyway, so all the rambling aside, these are my house plants. This is all I can show y'all because I can't show you nothing outside because there's nothing going on out there. But I wanted to let y'all know that I was still alive. Okay, everybody. Well, y'all have a good afternoon and love you. Bye-bye. I missed one, y'all. This is the oldest one that I have. This is my pothos. That's the one that the first plant came off of. The story behind this one is that I got it as oh my God, y'all, I can't think of it. Oh, actually, this isn't, okay, never mind. This was another one of the funeral plants. I had a plant like this in San Diego, and this ain't the one, but I had to give it away. But this one right here is another plant that came from my boyfriend's mom's funeral. And I mean, as you know, these are easy to grow. So like you see where the desk is. It had gotten all the way down here. This is my boyfriend's desk. And it had gotten all the way down here. And I kept saying, "Are you okay with that?" And he was like, "It's fine." And then I had to finally cut it. And I asked his auntie, did she want to take it? And she said, "I'll try." So I'm going to give her the glass and see. I mean, once you get a plant in a glass and you can watch the roots and everything, you should be okay. But I don't know. Okay. So anyway, that was it. All right, you guys. Again, love you. Bye.